So hi, excuse me, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So it's early in the morning here, cooking breakfast. And how are you today, guys? I hope you're all doing well. That's my prayer every day. And it's rain whole night, and then it's not hot, so that's very nice. And I'm cooking breakfast here for Shannon. So I'm run out of soy sauce, so I will go into the store quick and buy soy sauce. So this is what I cooked this morning for Shannon's breakfast. And thank you so much, guys, for always watching our videos. I sleep too long tonight, last night. We really appreciate it, guys. So that's the ground pork with potatoes and carrots, bell pepper, and that's it. I put some ground pepper, hindi ko ihunong ang pagsangyaw sa kahibulungan mong buhay. So I will go into the store to buy soy sauce. So it's so nice. We have lots of rain. So I have umbrella. I will go into the store. Ay! Chicken. Hello. Hello, chicken. Hi. Nara mo eh. Manta nali. Kada manta. Hello, ako mga nilabhan. Hi! Hello! Oy. Ano kong masa. My goodness. Oh, namaghot pa. So it's almost 6 o'clock in the evening. Evening naman na what happened to me. It's not evening, it's morning. So our cement path need to clean it because naalagyan ang nakadagang sabot. There's lots of mga leaves. Okay, this one will be slippery. Very slippery. Stop. So that I walk slow here. I just go. I'll take off my slipper. So that's the river there. So we are in the bridge. I'm in the bridge there. So we have lots of rains last night. So I got the soy sauce already. So we're out of cooking oil too, so I buy 1 bottle of cooking oil. Hi, rain, rain. Kahibol buhay. Wa na mo kailan ako, ha? Wa na mo kailan ako. Noon sa man mo mga aruang mo, wa na mo kailan. You forgot me, hala. To, they did not recognize me. Recognize. Sa man mo, ha? Wala na mo kailan ako? Muldo? Hi! Muldo, wala nakakailan ako. Sa man mo? Ay. So I'm back in the kitchen. So right here, this is a soy sauce, and then put a little bit around it. Soy sauce add flavor. I don't know why. If you put salt, it tastes different. Put black pepper. This is a very simple meal. Oh, this one. Nakakadunimurag ko pa. What's this? Balhid. Ay, nagaso. Ay, Diyos ko ah. So, it's done now. So, this is my own style, so you can add more vegetables like green beans or peas or whatever, what kind of manna vegetables do you like to add? Manata Friday. We'll try. Tasting time. Taste test. That's really good. So, turn up the fire. So that's it for now, guys. So thank you so much for always watching our videos. And if you're new in our channel, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And thank you so much, and stay safe and stay healthy all the time. Try to stay healthy, and God bless, and have a great day. I hope to see you again on my next video. Take care.